Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So these five things are inside us. They are subtle bodies, right? Jo Barmande, Soi Pinde, Jo Koje So Pai. Whatever is in the universe, everything is in whatever is in the universe, that those things are in our body also. These are subtle bodies, right? Now let's move ahead. आओ जी अगे चलिए, ठीक है? एनू इत्थे मार्क कर देने है ना. Taramraj is account keeper. Whatever Chitragupta, good question. Whatever Chitragupta takes the pictures, it gives to Chitragupta is taking the pictures and it will give it to Taramraj. Where is Taramraj? Here. Okay. What is voice of Vaheguru called? Ong, Shabad, Kar is creation. Okay. Through that sound, creation was good. Shabad, Naam. We will discuss this more in next lecture, but for the time being, we have to discuss which is something called Tragun Maya. Maya is of two types. Who will tell me what kind of Maya we have? One is physical Maya, and the second is subtle Maya. Let's say this is Vaheguru or God, and this is who we are. These are all different minds or bodies, whatever you want to say. Okay? Don't laugh. Okay. Something is separating between God and us. What is the separation? That separation has been created by this Tragun Maya. Who knows what Tragun Maya is? Are you sure? Okay.
The Regun Maya is basically reality, because everything is Maya, meaning it's fake.
Yeah, reality, physical reality, right? Anything which we can touch is a physical Maya. Maya is illusion, it's fake. Okay? Anything physically we can touch. Okay, this bottle is Maya. This fan is Maya, this wall is Maya, this door is Maya. This body is also Maya. It is fake. How is this body made? Yeah, good. Go ahead. What else? Yeah, tell me. Body is made out of? Very good. 5 elements. Hint. You said water. 1 element he said already. Who said? You said it? Okay, good. What are the 4 others? Haji, yeah.
It's also made out of nitrogen and water.
Yeah, that's fine. But nitrogen is somewhat in something which is called air, water, earth.
Fire.
Perfect. Who said fire? Perfect. Perfect.
There's no water on my earth. Fire.
Which is the 5th element?
Plasma. Well, it's a debatable.
Sky. Akash. Akash. Huh?
Yeah. I mean, the atmosphere, aka the sky and the air are different things.
It's different.
The atmosphere is what holds the air.
Sky has many layers, right? It doesn't have only one atmosphere which we experience. It has more than that.
Yeah, it has like.
Yeah.
It
Hanji
even
Put.
So, are these 5 things the things that are inside the body or inside the body?
Sorry?
Are these 5 things that are inside our body?
Yes, they are subtle. They are not physical. Okay? So these 5 elements make our body. Anything which is made out of these 5 elements, which is everything in this world, is what it is Maya. Maya is illusion. Maya separates us from Vaheguru. Maya separates us from Vaheguru. This wall is Maya. Now Maya is of two types. Physical Maya, we have all understood. What is subtle Maya? Can anybody answer?
It's something that you feel inside of you that is blocking you from Vaheguru.
Thoughts. Easy language, thoughts. Dreams. Right? Can you touch your dream?
No.
Can you touch your dream?
What?
Can you touch your dream?
You need some surgical.
ਸੁਪਨੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਹੱਥ ਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ? ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ? Yeah, what did you say, Gyan?
You're going to need a lot of technology and surgical tools if you ever want.
You don't have to put.
You're probably going to die in the process though.
What scientists will do in another 200 years, the meditators can do it right now. That's why we want to learn. This is a spiritual class. We all want to learn what Guru Nanak Dev Ji is teaching us in Japji Sahib. This is still introduction to Japji Sahib, okay? Tragun Maya, Tra means three. Tra means three. Gun means qualities. Three qualities. And Maya we already talked about, right? It is easy to recognize a physical Maya, isn't it? Anything you can touch, you can see, it's all. But it's difficult for the subtle Maya. And the
Oh,
Treh. Treh. Gun. Gunn. Treh, three. Gun, qualities. You are asking me at the right time, otherwise I would have forgotten because I can't read my own handwriting.
Same.
Okay, what are three qualities? Who will tell me? What are three qualities? Tragun Maya kedi kedi hai? Rajogun. First is Rajogun. Second is Tamogun.
Well, what are these three things?
Rajogun, Tamogun. Who said Sattvagun? Good girl. Sattvagun. Can you tell me, Put, what is Sattvagun? Who will tell me what is Rajogun? Rajogun first, Tamogun, Sattvagun. What is Rajogun? Rajogun is hopes, desires, depression, anxiety,
So negative feelings.
worries. That's not too negative. You're right, but it's not too negative. It's still not done. Hopes, desires, depression, anxiety, worries. Yeah, let's go with these five. There are many, but Rajogun. The name actually came from Raj. Anji, what's your question?
Can you turn on the AC?
Turn on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rajogun, Tamogun, Sattvagun. Rajogun, Tamogun. It's okay. 2 is fine. 2 is fine? Or you want it back also? Back also?
Yeah.
Chalao ji. I need a mic then. Mic. Okay. So Rajogun pata lag gaya sare nu? So whenever we are feeling anxious, we are sitting in Rajogun. When we have some hopes and desires, we are still in Rajogun. What is Tamogun? Anybody? You remember what Tamogun? Actually, everybody out here, they know Tamogun. They know. Tamogun is lust, greed, anger. 5 ਚੋਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗਏ ਆ ਅਟੈਚਮੈਂਟ ego, but it doesn't end here. ਇੱਥੇ ਖਤਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ. Lies, hate, Gossip.
Slandering.
Slandering. Talk about the negative stuff. Go ahead. I can't hear you. This one off? Okay, one off. After ego,
You didn't turn it off.
ego lies.
Okay. You didn't turn it off.
No, it's off.
No, it's
It's
off.
off.
Oh.
Lies. Oh yes, perfect. Sorry? Stealing, everything is all tamogun, right? What is sattogun?
Pride.
Sattogun thale लिख दिए. Compassion. Sattogun. This is sattogun, okay? Sattogun. Compassion.
Love.
Kind of. Compassion. Satisfaction. Love. Peace. Peace ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਹਿਜ. ਸੰਤੋਖ. Contentment. Contentment. Where are you guys? Ask me. You can't read my handwriting. Ask me. Compassion, satisfaction, love, peace, content, courtesy. Okay? No. That is Sattogun. This is Sattogun. Sorry. Sattogun is actually good things. Hanji Put. Yes. All good things which we do, right? For other people and everything. Put, you have a question, Gyan Singh? Suhela. Kirtan Suhela. Sorry. Because there was a lot that discussed, okay? Thank you for asking. Haji? Content. Contentment. Huh? Satisfaction, basically. You are satisfied with everything. You don't no longer have hopes and desires. Okay?
So you said something after content, but then you didn't write it.
Courtesy. Basically every good thing. Okay. One story for you guys. मैं ना 10 मिनट तक एंड कर दूंगा ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 5-10 मिनट और ठीक है I have a story for you guys. What Guru Nanak has to offer us. What is the difference between other religions and the religion started by Guru Nanak? What Guru Nanak has to offer us?
Naam.
Perfect. Nanak ke kar keval naam. The only thing Nanak has to offer is naam. What is naam? The voice of Vaheguru. What is naam? The darshan of Vaheguru. As in, you can see Vaheguru. Right? What is naam? It starts with Akhri naam. Kanik, give me the body of Akhri naam. जिन्हें लिखे तिसर नाही जे फरमाए तिव तिव पाए पिता तेता नाव वे नावे नाही को था. Basically it starts with Akhri naam, the naam with the words. What is that naam? Guru Mantra. Why Guru, why Guru, why Guru, why Guru. When we do Simran, our mind goes in Sattogun. First, number one, first step is our mind will go from Rajogun, Tamogun to Sattogun. It will be peace. It will bring peace. It will bring Sahaj. But if you are in peace and Sahaj without Naam, there is a danger there. There is a danger there. You might get from Sattogun to Tamogun or Rajogun. You will be doing the Sattogun stuff. Okay, let me ask you. Doing the Chaur Sahib Seva is a Sattogun, Rajogun or Tamogun? Sattogun. Doing a Langar Seva is a Rajogun, Tamogun or Sattogun? Okay, but if I say, I can only do the Chaur Sahib Seva, then what is this? What is that? Perfect. Then it becomes Tamogun. So that's why Maharaj says any Seva you do it with love and by doing Akhri Naam. Why? Guru, why? Guru, why? Guru, why? Guru. Cooking also. Why? Guru, why? Guru. Then it becomes Sattogun. Then you are in Sattogun. But if you don't, if you are doing it, Seva, and saying, oh man, my back is hurting, I have to go back home, why I have to do this? That's not a Seva. Seva is out of love. Seva is out of love. And you should be remembering Vaheguru. Hanji Assis.
Sometimes when I do seva when I make it, they always say Vaheguru.
Very good. Okay, assignment for you guys. First of all, tell me, are you convinced that when we have to cook our food or whenever we have to do Simran, are you convinced?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Anybody who is not convinced? Okay, we have to do, right? Now assignment for you guys. Go back home, tell your parents whenever you cook, let's do Simran. Okay? Will you do that?
Yes.
Okay? But with love. It has to come with love. At start, everything is okha. Okha ki hunda? Difficult, hard. Hanji put.
Like when my daddy makes kera home, it isn't as tasty as a kid here.
Huh?
Like when my daddy makes kera at home, it's not that good as a kid in the Gurdwara because he said that like people in the Gurdwara they make it with love, so that's why it's better.
Everything will become better when you do it with love, when you recite Naam with it. And not only just, even your homeworks. Remember Vaheguru in your head. If you have to think, that's a different thing. Then you can't think and do Simran together. But still, in the breaks in the school, remember Vaheguru. Then even if somebody will try to bully you or make fun of you, you will have no effect. No, Vaheguruji doesn't do bully. Kal, Panj Chor, 5 Doots, the Kal. Because what happens when somebody is doing bully? Their 5 thieves are active, they will be either in Rajogun or Tamogun. Mostly Tamogun. Okay? When we give somebody's pain, we are in Tamogun. And if we also start getting angry in reply, where we go? Tamogun. Tamogun. Okay? Anger, because anger is a property of Tamogun. Doesn't matter who you are. The moment you are angry, you go in Tamogun. We have to stay in Sattogun. We have to stay in Sattogun, right? And how can we stay in Sattogun? By doing Simran. Without that, even if you will try, that's why, we see this thing. People try to be good and all, but inside they are abusing. When you are abusing someone, who you are abusing? Exactly. Vaheguru. Why? How come you abuse somebody and you are abusing Vaheguru? Correct. Vaheguru is in everybody. Back. Everybody is understanding everything? Pakki gal hai? Pakki gal hai? Can I ask questions then? You have a question? Oh, you have a question. हाँ जी पुत. आगे आ जाओ. हाँ जी पुत बोलो. अच्छा आ जाओ. हाँ जी.
So whenever someone bully you, then doesn't it mean that Vaheguru is bullying you because since everyone has Vaheguru in it?
Yeah, but they are influenced with these five thieves. When somebody doesn't do Simran, what happens? They are influenced with the 5 thieves. Ona da man jehda na mind, it is stolen by the 5 thieves. They can take control of the mind. And they don't know what they're doing. They are hurting people. But in lieu, what happens? If you will give pain to anybody in this earth, sooner or later you will be in pain. That's what the karma is. Okay? So never give pain to anybody. Never ever. Only love. What we need? Love. If somebody is hating you and you hate them back, what will happen? Hate plus hate is hate. No way it can become love. But hate plus love, love is so powerful, hate will go away. फरीद जी की कहते हैं, बाबा फरीद जी कहते हैं, फरीदा, सारे बोलो, फरीदा बुरे दा भलाकार. वेरी गुड, एवरीबॉडी नोज, दैट्स नाइस. हाँ जी, ज्ञान सिंह.
दो चीजें हैं. पहली चीज, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੇਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਉਹ it's like fighting fire with fire.
Perfect.
And when doing naam or if someone's trying to hurt you, it's like kind of a shield.
इधर देखो, he is really Gyani, right? Gyan Singh has lot of wisdom. See this. Tamogun is also fire element. Remember we discussed about the elements? Tamogun is also fire. Rajogun is what? Which element? Think about it.
Water.
Okay?
Sato is water.
Exactly. Rajogun is air. Satogun is water.
Yeah, Rajogun supplies from Mogun.
There is a sixth element also, but that is only with Vaiguruji. 5 elements are of this physical world, right? It's another lecture which I have not covered with the other side, so I will not cover it. But it has to do with the 84 lakh June. What is it? 84 lakh June. You know what it is? 8.4 million species. If you are always in Rajogun, what will you become in your next life?
A cockroach.
Think about it. Who lives in air?
Bird.
You answered it. If you, sorry, there was a question? There was a comment or a question, please?
No, question?
हाँ जी. हाँ?
Okay, then tell that.
वो गुरु साहब जानते हैं कितना चलता है.
Like,
But I will explain you. Yeah. हाँ जी.
so like, if we are in Satogun, so like, we will be the water element.
If you are Satogun without Naam, then you can become a fish or something, right? But if you have a Naam, then you go directly to, only if you are in Satogun you can go to Vaiguru, otherwise not. Remember that. But Satogun plus Naam will take you to Vaiguru. Satogun plus Naam. There is a story I have to share. Yeah, ask question. वो तो थोड़ा जाके आके ना ऐसे आके तो सुमन because of the fans I can't hear you. हाँ जी. ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋਲ. Very good question. Everybody should. ਉਹਦੀ body ਪੁੱਤ. We are not this physical body. Are we this physical body or we live in this body?
We live in this body.
So our physical body becomes dust. But our mind has a journey. We are here for a very short time. हाँ जी ज्ञान.
So ਐਵੇਂ ਹੈ, suppose ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਥੋੜੇ ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੱਡੀ
ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੰਦੇ ਹਾਲੇ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਹੀ
ਹਾਂ।
ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਸ ਗੱਡੀ ਚੱਲੇਗੀ.
हाँ, उस तरह साड़ी बॉडी चली जाती है. But we are travelers. Somebody is here for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. We don't know. See what happened in COVID. Left and right, a lot of people were dying. Left and right, a lot of people were dying. Okay, 2 more minutes and a story. I had a friend who was Buddhist, or who is still a Buddhist, but I've lost contact with him. He also used to meditate. And we used to discuss a lot of spiritual things with each other. He didn't understood the concept of ego, homing, right? One day he came and he said, Raman, now I understand what home is. Now he understands what home is. Home as an ego. Hanji Put.
What happens to die?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. So how he understood? It was a month of December, winter, shivering. He was doing a morning walk or he was running, right? And he saw a homeless person there. And he was wearing a coat. He took his coat and he gave it to homeless. What did he do? Rajogun, Tamogun or Sattogun? Now I will tell you, he did Sattogun but it became Tamogun. How? When he went back home, now I'll tell you the story, then you tell me. He went back home and his wife asked him, where is your coat? You know what did he say? He said, I gave my coat to the homeless person.
That's ego.
That's ego. He got it. That's ego. So he went from Sattogun to Tamogun. And he said he felt fire. He felt really bad. He got angry with him then. He said, why did I do that? Because who gives us everything? Vaheguruji will give us everything, isn't it? So that's why Naam is very important. Naam makes us realize that Vaheguruji is always with us. Gur Mere Sang. Who will complete this? Gur Mere Sang. Sada hai Nale. Vaheguruji is with me all the time. Hanji Put.
Wait, why did you feel angry about
Because he got upset with him. That's the reason. Guilt is very bad thing. Never feel guilty. When something happens to you, ask for forgiveness from Vaheguruji and move on. Never feel guilty. Guilt will pull you back. Are you listening? Guilt will pull you back. Move on. Things will happen in the life. Ups and downs. Okay?
It's not
Hanji
the
Put.
moment. You said you lost contact with him. What happened?
Oh, because he was in my last company. I'm in a different company. I work in a different company now, so I don't have a contact with him. Hanji.
So maybe life is like a roller coaster.
It is. Hanji.
What happened? How long have you guys not been in contact for?
Oh, how long I have lost the contact?
Yeah.
Probably 4 or 5 years now.
Oh my.
Yeah, but that's fine. Hanji.
What company were you in at the time?
VMware. It's not my interview, guys. Stop asking questions about mine. Okay. Audi, 1 minute, Simran, and then he has to do some stuff.
Do you guys have your nickname log?
Yeah.
No.
If you have it, can you just please put it up so I can collect them all?
Nickname log. What is that?
Oh yeah,
That's the one
Oh, you guys. Everybody has this?
Yeah.
I didn't get one.
Yes, same.
Oh, you didn't get. I think that Pooja auntie will probably give it to you maybe whenever she comes back because I know she hasn't been here for the last 2 weeks.
Collecting me at the end of the trimester?
Okay.
No, every
Wait.
week
Now,
I
1
have
minute.
to
1 minute,
collect
Simran
them.
first.
Wait, first just put it up.
Yeah. Wait. Just 1 minute, Simran. Why? Guru. Sorry. Chhat do sare. Why? Guru. 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 Close your eyes. Why? Guru. 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 Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We'll meet next time whenever. Okay? So remember, this recording will be posted in WhatsApp. And try to listen to this recording. The last one also, this one also. Okay? Ask your parents. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa.